Welcome back to Super Tech Services. Today I'm going to show you guys how to change a toner bottle and a waste toner bottle on a Kyocera 3500. This is really easy. Let's get started. First we're going to do the toner bottle. Open up the front door like so. Lift up the blue lever. Pull out the toner bottle. Grab your new toner bottle. Shake it up. Slide it in. Close the blue lever. Waste toner. Blue button down here. Pull it out. Close the lid first. Slide it out like so. Yeah. Grab the new bottle. Open the lid. Slide it in like so. Left side first. Push it in. Close it up. We're done. Please like, comment, subscribe.